ViziApps enables you to quickly build mobile payment apps using card swipes. You can use the RoamPay card swiper, which lets you process credit card transactions from anywhere. This brings the flexibility and reach of mobile commerce to anyone without the need to code a custom app. And a ViziApps mobile app lets you collect your own data with your payments, all in one app. The ViziApps mobile commerce template goes beyond off-the-shelf payment apps by collecting and storing signature images, letting payees check user agreement checkboxes, logging transactions, sending email receipts, and making voiding transactions easy. Getting started with your own mobile commerce app is as simple as adding our mobile commerce template to your account and using our drag-and-drop tools to customize it for your business. Just modify the images and page contents to match your branding, then change the action properties for the swipe card button and the void buttons to make the card swipe features work for your business. Start modifying the transaction properties by double-clicking on the swipe card image button. Here, you need to fill in the card swipe action properties with the names of the app fields where the transaction amount, name, address, and other information are collected. You'll also need to enter the name of the page that will show the transaction confirmation, along with the text field where the card processing confirmation message will be sent, and the transaction log button. This is where the spreadsheet operations for transaction logging are carried out. If you need transaction logging, ViziApps will provide you with a spreadsheet template. You should also be sure to set up the action properties for voiding transactions. The void properties details are basically the same as the properties for the swipe button. They just do the opposite operation here. There are two void buttons, one on the main void page, which can void any transaction, and another on the transaction confirmation page that voids just the last transaction. The void buttons will send the transaction ID through to the credit card processor and store void information in the transaction log. Once you've customized the template, you need to contact our card swipe provider to set up a processing account. Every user of the app will get their own credentials, which lets you track who's charging credit cards. You'll also need to get the inexpensive swiper hardware that plugs into the phone jack of your device. When everything is set up and tested, you'll be able to swipe credit cards through the swiper and run a transaction over Wi-Fi or 4G LTE. You can even capture a signature right on your device, which will be stored as an image in your transaction log. With ViziApps, you can go from signing up to having a working mobile commerce app in hours, not the weeks or months you'd wait for a custom app. If you need mobile commerce features that fit your needs, start swiping with ViziApps.